Yo, what's up guys? Bago matapos ang 2025, ito ang top 3 best phones under 10k na talagang sulit sa performance, screen camera at battery. Dito muna tayo sa pangatlo sa listahan, ang Redmi 15 5G. May 6.9-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, malaki at wide ang screen. Perfect sa videos at games, pero IPS LCD lang kaya hindi kasi pop ng colors kumpara sa AMOLED. May 144Hz refresh rate, super smooth sa scrolling, feels responsive lalo na sa games. May 850 nits high brightness mode, bright kahit sa labas ng araw, kaya okay for outdoor use. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 6nm chipset, surprisingly snappy, kaya everyday tasks at light gaming. Ang 4GB RAM ay medyo basic na, pero okay pa rin sa daily apps. Ang 128GB storage, generous, maraming space for pics at apps. May 50MP main camera, good photo sa araw, colors are okay but medyo natural lang, hindi over-processed. May 8MP selfie camera, decent, perfect para sa social selfies, pero hindi expect ang DSLR level. Sa video, meron siyang 1080p at 30fps, stable pero medyo basic ang quality, okay for social shares. Meron siyang 7000 mAh battery capacity, grabe, ang tagal nito malobat. Kaya pang 2 to 3 days ng light use. May 33W fast charging, hindi fastest but solid. Makaka-charge ka kahit mabilis kung need mo. 5G ready na nga pala siya. Ito ang edge niya, fast internet sa areas na may 5G. Malaking plus sa budget phone. At may price na 7,299 pesos. Best for battery and future-proof 5G. Perfect kung gusto mo ng all-day life phone na hindi ka bibitaw kahit walang charger agad. Pangalawa naman sa listahan, ang Tecno Spark Slim. May 6.78-inch AMOLED display. Colors pop, deep blacks at vibrant colors. Pang beach watch talaga. 144Hz refresh rate, very smooth at experience lalo na sa UI at games. May 4,500 nits peak brightness, ang liwanag sobrang clear sa ilalim ng araw, walang squinting. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, protection na high-end, less worry sa scratches. Powered by MediaTek Helio G200 6nm chipset, similar performance sa Redmi, pero mas consistent sa daily tasks. 8GB of RAM plus 256GB internal storage, mas maraming RAM for multitasking at big internal storage para sa files at movies. May 50MP main camera, solid shots, detailed at dynamic range, okay for daylight photography. May 13MP selfie camera, crisp at clear, swak sa vlogging or selfies. May video na 1440p at 30fps, mas mataas quality video recording, pang vlog o content. Sa battery, meron siyang 5,169 mAh battery capacity, mas maliit than Redmi, pero still good for full day use. May 45W fast charging, super mabilis, perfect pag need mo ng quick top up bago lumabas. Sa connectivity, 4G LTE only, walang 5G pero stable ang 4G niya. May price na 9,599 pesos. Best overall display, performance, storage at camera video capability. Perfect kung trip mo ang visual quality. At ang number 1 sa ating listahan, ang Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. May 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display, high resolution, sharper than regular Full HD+, perfect sa movies at photos. 144Hz refresh rate, smooth UI at gaming. Feels premium kahit budget price. 4,500 nits peak brightness, bright at clear kahit nasa sunny spots ka. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, extra protection sa screen, less worry for accidental scrapes. Powered by MediaTek Helio G200 6nm chipset, same performance level with Tecno, pero pairing with 1.5K AMOLED feels mas responsive. May 8GB of RAM plus 256GB internal storage. Solid multitasking, malaking space for files at photos. May 50MP main camera, colors accurate and detailed, mas consistent shots compared sa Redmi. May 13MP selfie camera, clean selfies, good for reels at socials. May video naman na 1440p recording, solid quality video for social uploads. May 5,160 mAh battery capacity, same level with the Spark Slim, pang buong araw gamitin. May 45W fast charging, quick juice up, mabilis lang siyang i-charge. Sa connectivity, 4G LTE only. Ganun din, walang 5G, pero solid ang network. Sa price naman, meron siyang 8,600 pesos. Best balance specs for screen sharpness, storage, camera, at price. Kaya siya ang number 1. So kung trip mo ang best value, go for Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. Kung priority mo naman ang battery plus 5G, pick Redmi 15 5G. At kung gusto mo ng premium display plus video quality, Tecno Spark Slim is solid. Comment down below kung alin ang bibilin mo at bakit. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Maraming salamat!